Good day everyone, especially to our instructor Sir Leo Carius, and today we will discuss estimated position. An estimated position is the most likely location of the ship at given time when the precise peaks like a running peaks, GPS peaks, or celestial peaks is not available. Estimated position or is the navigator's base idea or where the ship is at sea. It is based on the ship course, speed, time, and sometimes the effect or wind or current. It's not exact, but it helps navigator know the probable location of the ship, know when no accurate peaks is available. If is indicate guess of position better than dead reckoning, but still not 100%. That is my explanation of estimated position. Thank you.